Hey guys, so if you have the issue that your Legion Go is not turning on and looking for a way how to fix it, so this is something that I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. So you just want to hold down the power button for 30 seconds and wait 10 seconds, then try to power it back on. It may be the sleep bug where it fails to wake after going to sleep. So just press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, then you will wait 10 seconds and try to power it. So even people wrote here that how to even fix that you just want to disable the sleep and enable hibernate instead. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.